Respected Reverend Father Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to you all. I would like to speak about the suffering you and I faced during the pandemic days. At the same time, we learned how to overcome COVID-19. COVID-19 pandemic is an ongoing disease. The pandemic has brought fear, suffering, death, salary cut, and employment problem, etc. throughout the nation. People in our country suffered terribly due to lack of state income, investment, and defect in sanitization. In Puducherry and Tamil Nadu, the lockdown started on 16th March of this year. The government declared holiday to all educational schools, colleges, industries, and government office. 144 Act was announced in all the state to save the people People were allowed to go out of the house only for emergency work. The police filed a case against the people who violated the rules. Public were allowed to purchase household things, milk and medicine only in the permitted hours. At the beginning of the lockdown, the sudden announcement of lockdown by the government, so many poor peoples and barbers who faced through tough time to reach their hometown and spend many sleepless nights with angry. During the COVID-19, public were barred to go to the temple and churches. Celebration, marriages, function, public meetings were also banned. Only limited number of relatives were permitted to participate in death ceremony and other happy celebration. The police brutally arrested, put spot find or seized a vehicle of the people who found in the road. Patient affected by various disease could not go to the hospital for treatment. The fear of disease killed the people one side, the poverty and hunger crushed the poor on another side. In worldwide, so far 1.3 million people died for COVID-19. The human community felt the first 3 months as a living in house prison. School-going children forgot the school and lost proper education due to this pandemic virtual disease. As few hospitals made the COVID test and treatment as commercial, we afraid to take COVID test. It made an anxiety and stress. What are the things that we learned from the pandemic? Life is a mixture of success and failure, sorrow and happiness. COVID-19 has taught us how to fight against it. Nowadays, we strictly follow discipline like wearing of face mask, usage of sanitizer, hand washing, keeping our home surroundings, taking nutritious fruits with high pH value, vitamin C, social distancing, disinfecting living and working places, isolation of symptomatic people, drinking of Kabasura Kudineer, streaming, etc. Respecting government rules for public interest. Conclusion: whatever problem comes in life, pursue the suitable approach. You will save and win. Please take care of you till the vaccine is successfully invested and used. Thanking you.